good point. Should we get ice cream after food? We'll just add it to it.
Dang,
We
girl.
should go to the mental hospital.
You guys are the one.
Here's these things. Anyone big fans in the warehouse. It looks like they're on fast today. There they are. They are fast today. So because I don't know why. They're on not reverse, but they're fast today. Which I don't know what happened to them.
Hey, teach me your video, baby. You have your dad's leg, half your finger, like your finger.
Sorry. What did I do? No, that's not me. No.
Upstairs somewhere, wherever you
The second fan's on.
want. On
Camera in his hand. Big yellow jacket fans. Here are some big only those 4 fans are on today. Check out the IKEA. These are the only 2 that are not on today. Fans will have swear words and they don't.
I don't know.
So we send this boy at everyone this is the last fan before the warehouse.